Hello developers! If you're eager to learn about AI and autonomous agents and how they work with code, you're in the right place. This course is all about helping you understand AI and autonomous agents in a practical way. You won't just learn, you'll also apply what you learn in real projects. Starting with first steps with OpenAI and JavaScript, we'll show you how to use the OpenAI Chat API in your coding projects. You'll discover how to create AI agents that make decisions and take actions independently. We'll show you how to connect web pages through APIs and sockets, integrating services like Gmail and Google Sheets to replace customer agents in a catering startup. We'll delve into advanced topics such as fine-tuning and retrieval augmented generation, using vector stores to enhance your AI skills. You'll even learn how to enable group chats between AI agents and connect them to websites. This allows you to build complete virtual teams that can replace employees, creating your own small but efficient team. And it's not just about GPT. We'll also explore open source alternatives and how to effectively use them. This course equips you to create AI agents, boosting productivity and setting you apart in the tech industry. Gain unique skills that make you stand out in the development of AI solutions and autonomous agents.